Functional group. Functional group is the part of a molecule or a part of a compound that determines the chemical property of that molecule or that determines the chemical property of that compound. Also, functional group determines some physical properties of the compound or some physical properties of the molecule. Based on the functional group, organic compounds are classified as alkane organic compound, alkene organic compound, alkyne organic compound, aromatic organic compound, alcohols organic compound, aldehyde organic compound, ketones organic compound, carboxylic acid organic compound, and esters organic compounds. Let us see the functional group for each organic compound with their general structure. Organic compound, alkane. The functional group for alkane is carbon-carbon single bond. Carbon-carbon single bond. The general structure for alkane is RCH2CH3, where R is alkyl or hydrogen. Alkene organic compound. The functional group for alkene is carbon-carbon double bond. The general structure for alkene is RCH double bond CH2. Alkyne organic compound. The functional group for alkyne organic compound is carbon triple bond carbon. The general structure for alkyne is R carbon triple bond carbon R, where R is also alkyl or hydrogenated. Aromatic organic compound. The functional group for aromatic organic compound is aromatic ring. This is the general structure for aromatic organic compound. Also, the functional group for alcohol organic compound is this one, and also this is the general structure for alcohol, as well as the functional group for aldehyde organic compound is this one. The general structure for aldehyde organic compound is this. Ketone. The functional group for ketone organic compound is this one, and this is the general structure for ketone organic compound. Okay, the functional group for carboxylic acid organic compound is this one, and this is the general structure for carboxylic acid organic compound. Finally, the functional group for ester organic compound is this one, and the functional group for ester organic compound is this one, and the general structure for ester organic compound is this one. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is the organic compound. OC means organic compound, which is composed from the elements of carbon and hydrogen. This hydrocarbon is classified into two: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon contains only carbon single bonds, and unsaturated hydrocarbon contains one or more multiple bonds, maybe double bond or triple bond between carbon atoms. The example of unsaturated hydrocarbon are alkene, alkyne, and aromatic organic compounds. And the example for saturated hydrocarbon are alkane organic compound. Let us see alkane. Alkane is saturated hydrocarbon. It contains carbon-carbon single bond as their functional group. This is the functional group for alkane. Also, alkane contains a chain of carbon atoms which is linked only by single bond. Every carbon atoms in the molecule forms 4 single covalent bonds with other atoms. For example, this carbon forms 4 covalent bonds with other atoms. Alkane have CnH2n plus 2 general formula where N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Example: the chemical formula of alkane containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atoms, where N is 1, CH4, where N is 2, C2H6, where N is 3, C3H8, where N is 4, C4H10. Let us compare the formula of CH4 and C2H6 or C3H8 or C4H10. Here we have 1 carbon. Here we have 2 carbon. The CH4 and C2H6 are differ from each other by 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, and C2H6, C3H8 are differ from each other by 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms, which means they differ from each other by methylene group.